Good morning traders, it's Paul Clevitt, dailyforextrader.me, and I want to be a forextrader.com. So we're having a look at what Signal Trader has dug up for me this morning. I've only got two trade sitting possibles. I've got New Zealand dollar Swissy sell and Euro New Zealand buy. Now that's really interesting, so let's go and look at the news because there's lots of news today. So I'm using really tiny lots. You know, if there's lots of news coming, you either don't trade or use tiny lots, okay, because the risk is too much. So let's see, where is it? Here it is. Economic calendar. Here's this morning's trades, Friday. Here we go. So we've got some bad news on the yen. Sorry, not the yen. That's Chinese. The Chinese have got some bad news coming in here. Got some Japanese yen due in half an hour. We've got the Swissy. Oh, hang on. We've got the Swissy there and the Swissy here. So what does the market think is going on? Firstly, sometimes with Signal Trader we get lots of trades around the same currency. We've got selling, they're selling selling New Zealand dollars and buying Swissy. Doesn't that make sense with the news coming up? Okay, and they're buying euro against the New Zealand dollar. So we're buying a strong currency against a weaker currency, and we're selling a weak currency against a strong currency. So the chances are that these will be good trades. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pop an order on. So here is New Zealand Swissy. Let's do some double checks. We've got a smiley face, which means that Signal Trader says this is a valid trade because we've got 3.62 to 1 ratio. Profit and risk is fine. Trend is down. Volume's very low because of the time of the morning, but that's okay. Look how horizontal it is. It's not going anywhere. So let's get our trade on. Remember that 19 pips in, Signal Trader will block this trade from losing. Sell stop. Stop loss will be 0. I've just got to copy it from the top of the screen. 0.74778. Take profit 0.74026. 0.74026. And my entry is 0.74609. If you've got a trade signal from 2 hours ago, don't place it because it's not valid anymore. Okay. So what are we looking for? We're looking for this sell. Is a sell a valid thing? We're in a downward trend. We've got all this coming down. We're going in the direction of the trend. Sometimes I'll leave trades that are not in the direction of the trend. Where's the take profit? Let's have a little peek. It's down there. It's not that, doesn't look far away, doesn't it? It is 61 pips away for a 20 pip risk. I think that's very good. But look how it's going to get there. It's going to be pretty slow. Although because we're trading with the Swissy in favour, the chances are that the Swissy will rally on its news. So we'll probably get that. We could get that 60 pips quite quickly. So let's have a look at it again. So there it is at 6:45. Not going to have to wait long for that. If there's good news out of the Swissy, there's 3 things from the Swissy. We don't get a lot out of the Swissy generally compared to the Euro. There's lots and lots of Euro news, but not till 10 o'clock, and it's only 3:30 in the morning. So I'm quite happy to stick that New Zealand Swissy on. So the other one was, let's go and look at I could just pull my tab up. Okay, go to Experts tab. It was Euro New Zealand. Makes sense, we've got Euro news coming, so they obviously think the Euro news is going to be good. So let's go and switch to Euro New Zealand. I can just switch it. There it is. Let's activate it. Go and have a look. Okay, are we trading with the trend? Yes, we are. Do we have a valid trade? Certainly looks like it, doesn't it? Look at this. Down. That was yesterday on the news. That was Draghi speaking, the ECB chairman, but it just came back up again. So it's in an uptrend. Are we getting a pattern here? Okay, so these look like good trades. So trading, buy, not sell, buy. So we're trading Euro New Zealand and Swissy New Zealand. So the trades make sense. Don't put trades that don't make sense. If you see a trade, if you've got 5 trades trading against a currency like if you, let's say, had 5 trades, even 2 trades trading against the New Zealand dollar, and one that said trade in favour of the New Zealand dollar, what don't we do? Okay, so I've got a bullish. It's in a bullish trend. Everything's moving upwards. It's saying we're gonna go up. It's easy to do, isn't it? So let's go for that 1.64935. Take profit 1.66244. Again, look at my lots, tiny because of the news. I don't do big lots. I don't want to risk my account just because the news could skew everything. 1.65214. Place. Order is accepted. So that's all in place. You can see that Signal Trader's given me the stop loss and take profit They should be doing not a lot of risk today, about 30 pips risk for 160 pips profit if we get there. Signal traders using this new thing, which or another little backup. Look at this diamond here. That's a buy signal. So the buy signal there. They tried to drop it yesterday. Didn't happen. It's going up. So it could take a while to get there. However, if we get good Euro news and good Swissy news, all right, we could be going the distance on these two trades. So, you know, the thing, a lot of people want me to write this into a robot, which I'm thinking about doing, but my worry is that I can't discern trades. I can't look at the trade and go, actually, the trend's going the other way, let's stay out of it. All right. So I'm staying with this at the moment. It looks like it's going to go for it. It's bounced off this top twice. Okay. Now you could do, if I wanted to be extra safe, I could move my trade slightly higher because it did bounce there. However, we've got EURNZD. It could shift the euro, and if I go backwards, all it's done for about. Let's go and look at the daily chart. Have a quick look and see what's going on. Look at this. We're at the bottom of a sort of channel. It's gone up, down. We're right at the bottom. It's almost dying for the last 1, 2, 3, 4 days. It was hanging there, and the last 2 days it started going up. Okay, and we've got good reason to go up today because of the news. So we're trading a currency that isn't going to move much because the New Zealand dollar is an Asian currency, so they won't be trading that at this time of the day against a strong currency. So that's that one. So the market's quite in favour of New Zealand dollar sells and Euro New Zealand buys. Isn't that funny that signal traders pulled up those two signals and they both involve the New Zealand trading against the New Zealand dollar with two majors? So we're trading euro and the Swissy against the New Zealand dollar. How strange that the market has indicated to signal trader that that is going to happen. Okay, that's the thing about this software. So I will place trades like that, but what I won't do is overexpose my account. So you need to look at your margin and just make sure you're not overexposing your account. If you're in 5 trades that have been sitting there for 2 days and they're all in profit and not going anywhere, and your account margin is, you know, you haven't got much margin left, stay out of your trades. You don't have to trade all the time. You can take a day off. It's okay. Do you know, you can actually place trades overnight because, do you know what? The market's going to work without you. It is. I had a couple last night. They rallied up. They came back. I stopped out break even. Not really that exciting, is it? But you know, the thing is that about stopping out break even is it's much better than stopping out in a big loss. Okay, so we want to get as many of our trades to that point as possible because 1 or 2 of them, or maybe 3 or 4 of them, they're going to go the distance. Actually, I don't know what happened to Sterling Swissy yesterday. Let's have a look at that. GBP Swissy, activate. Yep, we had it's just come back. It hasn't really done very much. Sterling is in a nice bullish with. This was yesterday. I think somewhere back here. Let's go and look at the hourly chart. So we'll pick it up. I think we were in a big drop. I think it was this big drop here. But notice how it came back again very quickly. Within an hour, it came back. But we were in that yesterday. And in fact, it did achieve target, I think. So we had a couple of good trades yesterday. The main thing about this is that it gives you your target. So we're looking for the trade to move, and it's not an unreasonable thing. Look at the way it bounces off this. You see this? Bounces off that. So if there was a trade here, I'd be interested in a buy, not a sell, because the trend and the direction of the trade. Okay, we trade with the trend. We're not trading against it. Okay, so there we go. Have a good day's trading, everybody. Watch out for the news. Non-farm payrolls. Okay, do not be trading, putting trades on here. 1330. Okay, this could rocket. Unemployment rate, and I'm sure non-farm payrolls is today. Where's non-farm payrolls? There it is. Okay, those two things can absolutely wipe out your trades. Okay, they can send the market reeling in the wrong direction for about 5 seconds, then reeling in another direction for about 10 seconds. Okay, it's called whipsawing, when you get the market just moves, expects one thing, so it moves massively in one direction, then it finds out that that's not the case, so it moves massively in the other direction. I'm staying out. All right, I won't be placing trades about an hour before. I'm going to go have my lunch. Lovely, have a nice sandwich. I don't need to risk my life. Okay, what's your risk? So that's it today. A couple of trades there, looking good. Very interesting that we're trading against the New Zealand dollar, isn't it? And I'm looking for some big moves because of the news. If we don't get them, we don't get them. If we stop out, we stop out. If we TP, with TP, fantastic. But keep your lot size small, people. I mean, I'm talking 0.01, because there's lots of news around. So, you know, you can make a small amount of profit today. It's better to be patient and wait. If you don't want to trade today, that's fine. Just means you won't lose any money. Or should I say you won't make any money? Or both. Okay.